Claude Opus 4.7 just dropped, and it changes everything. This thing can build apps, write code, fix its own mistakes, and create full business tools from scratch. No team needed, no coding skills, just you and this AI. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to grow your business right now. Stay with me because what I'm about to show you is wild. Anthropic just released Claude Opus 4.7, and this is their newest flagship public model. And before I go any further, I want to be clear about something. I'm only going to tell you what's actually true about this update. No hype, no made up stuff, just facts. So what actually changed? Number one, coding just got a whole lot better. Claude Opus 4.7 is significantly stronger at complex software engineering tasks. That means it needs way less hand-holding than the previous version. You give it a task, it figures it out. That's a big deal. Number two, it can now understand images. You can show it a screenshot, a design, a UI, and it will reason over it and act on it. That's called multimodal intelligence. And it's not just a gimmick, it's actually useful. Number three, it checks its own work. This is the one that got me. Claude 4.7 has a new built-in ability to verify its own outputs. So before it hands something back to you, it double checks itself. And that means fewer mistakes, more reliability, less fixing on your end. Number four, it's better at creative output, documents, presentations, structured content. It's cleaner, more accurate, and more useful than 4.6 across the board. Number five, it has built-in safety detection. It automatically detects and blocks high-risk outputs. But that's not a limitation. That's a feature. You want an AI you can trust to behave. Now, here's the honest part. Claude Opus 4.7 is not Anthropic's most powerful model. They have an internal system called Mythos that's even more advanced. Opus 4.7 is the bridge between what the public has now and what's coming next. So it's not the smartest AI ever made, but it might be the most usable one available right now. And that's what matters for us. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. Whilst Julian's out helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to keep you up to date on the latest AI. Julian reads every single comment, so drop something below and let him know you're watching. Now let me show you how to actually use this thing to grow a real business. I'm going to use the AI Profit Boardroom as my example throughout this whole video. The AI Profit Boardroom is our AI automation community, and I'm going to show you how you could use Claude 4.7 to build real tools, real content, and real systems for a business like this. And speaking of growing a business online, let me ask you something. Are you creating great content but nobody's finding it? That's a traffic problem. And that's exactly what SEO fixes. My team at Goldie Agency helps businesses rank higher on Google so they get more leads, more traffic, and more customers. Check the link in the description to find out how we can help you grow. Now back to Claude. Here's a simple system I call the Build Anything Framework. 5 steps. Anyone can do this. Step 1, describe what you want. Step 2, ask Claude to break it into parts. Step 3, build it one piece at a time. Step 4, paste any errors back in and let Claude fix them. Step 5, ask Claude to improve and optimize. And that's it. That's the whole framework. Let me show you what this looks like in real life. Example 1, landing page. Here is an actual prompt you can use right now. Build a high converting landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. The AI Profit Boardroom is an AI automation community. The page should clearly explain what it is, who it's for, what they get, and why they should join today. Make the copy compelling. Make the layout clean. Focus on benefits over features. You paste that in and Claude builds you a full landing page. Clean layout, real copy, a proper call to action. You can then follow up and say make the headline stronger or add a section about who this is for, and it just updates it on the spot. No developer, no designer, weeks of back and forth. What would normally take a whole team and weeks of back and forth takes about 10 minutes. Example 2, content strategy. Here is another prompt. Create a 30-day content strategy for the AI Profit Boardroom. Goal is to grow our audience, educate people on AI automation, and bring in more members. Give me post ideas, topics, angles, and formats for LinkedIn, YouTube, and email. Claude gives you back a full 30-day calendar. Every post mapped out. Topics, angles, formats, all of it. Used to take a marketing team a full week to plan. Claude does in about 30 seconds. And the output is actually good. It thinks about what your audience needs to hear, not just what's easy to write. You can then go back in and say, make the LinkedIn post shorter or make the email topics more beginner friendly, and it adjusts the whole plan for you. Example 3, SEO content brief. This one is close to my heart because SEO is everything when it comes to long-term growth online. Write a detailed SEO content brief for a blog post targeting the keyword AI automation for small businesses. Include suggested headings, key points to cover, internal linking opportunities, and a meta description. Claude builds you a complete content brief in seconds. Suggested headings, key points, internal linking ideas, meta description, all ready to go. Writer or your AI writing tool just follows it and produces content built to rank. This is where Claude and SEO work together perfectly. Claude handles the strategy and structure. SEO gets it in front of the right people. That combination is how smart businesses are growing right now. Example 4. Use the image feature. Take a screenshot of a competitor's landing page or a design you like. Upload it to Claude 4.7 and use this prompt. Analyze this landing page. Tell me what's working, what's weak, and then rebuild it with improvements for the AI Profit Boardroom. Claude looks at the image, breaks down what's working and what's not, and then builds you a better version tailored to the AI Profit Boardroom. It tells you things like the headline is too vague, the benefits section is buried, or the call to action is too weak, and it fixes all of it. It's used to require a conversion rate optimization consultant. It takes 2 minutes and a screenshot. Example 5. Fix broken code. If you've ever tried to build something yourself and hit an error, this is for you. Just paste your broken code into Claude and say, this code is not working. Find the problem, explain it simply, and fix it. Claude reads through it, spots the issue, explains it in plain English, and gives you the working version. Stack Overflow rabbit holes. Waiting on a developer. Long debugging sessions. You paste the problem in, and you get the fix out. And because Claude 4.7 now double-checks its own outputs before giving them to you, the code it produces is cleaner and more reliable than earlier versions. A self-verification feature is one of the biggest practical upgrades in this release. Now let's talk about what Claude 4.7 is not. It's not perfect. It still makes mistakes. It still needs good prompts. The quality of what you get out is directly tied to the quality of what you put in. Garbage in, garbage out. It hasn't changed. You still need to check outputs before you publish or ship anything. And it is not Anthropic's most advanced model. Mythos is, but Mythos isn't public yet. Opus 4.7 is what we have. And honestly, for most real-world use cases, it is more than enough. Here's the big picture. AI is moving toward full autonomy. Tools that can plan, build, test, and improve on their own. Claude Opus 4.7 is a step in that direction. The self-checking feature alone tells you where this is going. We are getting closer to AI that can run entire workflows without constant supervision. The businesses that learn how to work with tools like this now are going to have a massive edge. Not because AI does everything for them. Because they know how to direct it, use it, and deploy it faster than anyone else. That's what the AI Profit Boardroom is built around. Real AI automation, real tools, real results, no fluff. Here's what I want you to do right now. Pick one thing in your business that you keep putting off because it feels too big or too technical. Write it down. And open Claude Opus 4.7 and use the 5-step framework I gave you. Describe it, break it down, build it, fix it, prove it. You will be shocked at what you can get done in under an hour. And if you want to make sure people actually find what you're building online, that's where SEO comes in. My team at Goldie Agency specializes in getting businesses ranked on Google so the right people find you at the right time. Have helped hundreds of businesses grow their traffic and their customer base. If you want to rank #1 and get more customers, join the SEO Elite Circle. Link is in the description. Check it out. Julian reads every comment on this channel. Tell him below, what are you going to build first with Claude Opus 4.7? Drop it in the comments. And if this was useful, subscribe because we are just getting started.